Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L1800 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So before you proceed, please copy the link that I'll be including at the description box below. Just copy it, and once you have copied it, please proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So eventually you would be navigated to the Google Chrome browser. We're here, you just have to wait until everything are set before we proceed. Once everything are set, please proceed at the window search bar here at the top and press Ctrl V key in the keyboard so that you would be able to paste the link and click on the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. Okay, so you would be able to open up this kind of window where you can see the Epson L1800. Now all you need to do is you need to click on this downloads option and it will detect the operating system. Okay, so we need to scroll down and locate with drivers, and from here you would be able to see the printer driver for Windows 64-bit. You can also download any application like Epson Easy Photo Print if you would like to. Okay, so aligning to this one, you can see there a download option. Please click on it. And the moment you do that, wait until this window would appear where it asks you to accept the license agreement. So click on accept so that you can now start on the downloading process. So eventually just click on the skip to continue on the downloading. So we just have to wait until it will be successfully downloaded before we continue on the installation. Okay? Now, once it is being downloaded, click on this folder icon next to it, and eventually you would be redirected to this location. So from here, we need to copy this application. So by that, click on this cut icon at the left top of that, close the window as well as this, and do a right click here at the desktop and go with the spaced icon. Once you have pasted it, please make a right click once again, and this time you need to scroll down and locate for this option called WinRAR and go with extract to. So eventually it will now start on the extraction. And once a new file folder is being created here, meaning we have successfully extracted it. So by that, please navigate to the start icon, do a right click, and scroll up and click on settings. So you'd be able to be redirected to the settings window. We just have to wait until everything would appear here. And once everything are set, please directly proceed at the left side of that and click on this option called Bluetooth and devices. And here at the Bluetooth and devices, please navigate to the devices option. And from here, you need to scroll down and locate with this option called more devices and printer settings. So tap on it so that you would be able to bring up the new window, which is the devices and printers. From here, proceed at the top of the left side, go with it, click on this option called add a printer. And from here, go with this bottom side of that where you can see there the printer that I want is enlisted. So click on this fifth option, which is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Go with next and click on this down arrow key and choose among of these USB ports. It could be USB 001, 2, or 3. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Once you have set it, please click on next. Navigate to this option called have disk, go with browse, and this window would show up. Navigate to the desktop And please scroll down and locate with this one. So double tap to it, double tap once again, double tap, and it will show you the driver file here. All you need to do is you need to click on open, go with OK, and eventually it will be set here. So go with next, next again, and it will now start in the installation. So we just have to wait for a couple, a few couple of minutes until this would be completed. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue in the installation. Now, if you would like to allow for printer sharing, turn this on, and if you don't want to, turn the other one. So in my case, I'll be allowing for printer sharing. So click on next, and if you would like you to set it as your default printer, turn this box on. In my case, I'm leaving it unchecked. Go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully install the Epson L1800 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, close the window as well as this and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.